Okay, so I just read about this amazing new backend framework called Motia, and it's blowing my mind,
Oh, really? What's so special about it? I mean, we've all seen back-end frameworks before.
right? But this one actually unifies APIs, events, and AI agents into a single system. Like, no more juggling multiple tools.
Wait, seriously? So you can use JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python in the same project?
Exactly. It's all about how they work together through something called a step. Each step performs a role in your backend.
That's wild. So what's a step exactly? A function, a component?
Great question. It can be as simple as a function or as complex as an AI agent, but they all communicate through events.
Oh, wow. So it's like building blocks for your back-end logic. You create your business logic in these manageable units.
Right? And it eliminates that messy boilerplate code. You've got full access to the ecosystem within a step.
That makes debugging so much easier. No more context switching between different frameworks.
Exactly. Plus, they have zero config observability. You can trace the execution without setting up anything.
That's a game changer. How do you actually use it?
It's super easy. You just bootstrap a project in under a minute. It's almost too smooth.
How does that even work? It sounds like a dream for developers.
You start with a terminal command to create the project, then you can launch a local workbench to manage everything.
The workbench sounds like a control center. What can you do with it?
You can visualize your steps, test APIs, and even view full traces and logs for debugging.
So like an all-in-one dashboard, that's super helpful. What about managing state?
Oh, it offers unified state management, which lets you easily share data between steps. Automatically traced too.
Wait, so every time data changes, you see exactly where and when it happened.
Yes, it's like having complete transparency on your data's lifecycle throughout a workflow.
That gives me chills. Data management can be chaotic, so this sounds revolutionary.
Absolutely. And think about the implications. Complex workflows become so much simpler to manage.
That changes everything. It's like taking the pain out of back-end development.
And it supports multiple languages, so teams can work how they're most comfortable.
It's good to see that kind of flexibility. But is it really suitable for large applications?
Definitely. It's scalable, and with features like automatic retries, you avoid common errors.
Now I'm curious about how it handles real-time updates.
Great point. It uses streams for real-time messaging, pushing live updates without polling.
So if I'm implementing a dashboard, that's going to be lightning fast.
Exactly. But wait until you hear how it manages events. It really brings everything together.
Tell me more. How do steps talk to one another?
They emit and subscribe to events. This decouples them, allowing for complex workflows with simple code.
No way. This sounds so intuitive. This might actually enhance collaboration among developers.
Absolutely. With everyone on the same page, it streamlines the whole development process.
It's so fascinating, but what's the learning curve like for new users?
Surprisingly low. They provide all the tools and documentation needed to get started.
That's refreshing. It's so important to lower barriers for developers, especially for beginners.
Totally. And you can participate in their community on Discord, which is great for support.
Community makes a huge difference in software development. It helps with knowledge sharing.
For sure. So if we put all this together, what do you think is the biggest takeaway from Motia?
I believe it's about unifying complexity. It turns burdensome tasks into streamlined workflows.
Right. And the built-in observability really boosts confidence during deployments.
This is so much more than a back-end framework. It's a holistic approach to development.
Exactly. I can't wait to see how developers utilize it. What an exciting time to be in tech.
For sure. And it leaves you wondering how it might evolve in the future, right?
Totally. What new features could emerge? The possibilities feel endless.